Eloh App is a digital platform that launched last year with the aim of improving the employment rate and improving small businesses. The app allows customers to search for the best service providers they need, which include barbers, spas, car washes, home cleaning services, private chefs, and many more. It also aims to help businesses to move or even shift from the traditional way of doing business by going onto digital spaces and operating on mobile phones without the stress of physically going to places. But to tell us more, we are joined by the creator of the app, Sanele Mhlongo. Jomane, a very good morning to you. Thanks for joining us and a warm welcome to Morning Live.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm excited to be here.
Yeah, it's such a pleasure to have you on the show this morning. And for those that don't know, what is the Eloh app and why did you deem it fitting to create it?
So basically, Eloh App is a digital platform which is a service-on-demand app that connects customers with professional service providers and businesses around the location. So the booking is basically made easy. A customer can make a booking and a notification pops up in the service provider's side and business, and they come directly at your doorstep. It's not just only that, but it also helps small and legit businesses from moving into a digital space and connecting easily with clients through our application. So basically, overall, to sum it up, it works similar like Uber, where customers can book in terms of car wash, where they don't need to stand in a long queue, because it's very annoying to stand in a long queue, where customers can also connect with professional domestic workers through our platform. We're talking about beauties, spas, massages, and many more services, which includes as well plumbers and electricians.
Now, due to COVID-19, so many businesses have shut down and some are cutting down their staffing. How will the app assist in creating work?
So basically, our platform is catered for both service providers. You'll find in some cases that there's an independent service provider, which is a plumber that is skillful. Our platform is open for that, those who can sign up and provide their services on our platform. And basically, the main aspect of our platform is basically to save a lot of businesses that have shut down through COVID-19, that instead of, this is the solution where most businesses can just run their own services on our platform and connect to potential clients and recover from the loss of COVID-19.
Make me understand, Sanele, when I log onto this app and I want a particular service, a car wash service, for instance, does it give me the options of all the car washes around me or the car washes that are available?
So basically, our platform, our procedure that we do, we basically sign up people who are mobile when it comes to car wash, because not all car washes are mobile. So basically, we sign up businesses which are mobile. When you log into the app, you have options, because we have different kinds of features. You have options to select what model car you are using and what kind of services that you want, whether you want a full house, you want a wash and go. And from there, you book at your own flexible time directly before 30 minutes. Let's say in case you book it at 9 o'clock. So 8:30, that service provider will be at your doorstep ready to work.
Okay. All right. Now, the app currently only offers services in KZN and Gauteng. When do you plan to branch out to other areas in the country?
So we actually having a lot of requests from different other provinces. We're fully operating in Durban, and currently at the moment in Johannesburg, we're currently registering those businesses on our platform. We haven't fully 100% operated in Johannesburg, but because of the demands and the emails and the calls and people wanting to join our application, we're looking in the next 18 months, we'll operate in other provinces.
From the feedback that you've been getting from the users of this app, just looking back from where you started, do you feel that you need to change or add a bit more features on this app?
Yes, basically everything that we're doing, we hear what the customers are really concerned about when they're using our application, because they always say clients comes first. So we look at the concerns in terms of the customers, what are changes that are needed, and then we improve from that. So yeah, that's how we operate.
What are some of these concerns?
So basically on our platform, there are certain situations where customers, when they are booking, they don't have a self-communication with service providers.
Okay.
So we're actually installing a chat box on our app, where if you're making a booking, you can easily communicate with the service provider as well. And yeah.
All right. And how can people get hold of the app?
So the app is basically available in all stores. We are available in iOS, which is Apple Store. We are available in Google Play Store, and we're currently being activated this week in Huawei.
All right, in terms of expansion, what are some of the features that you wish to add on this app to make it even more accessible and even more refreshing to use, as it were?
When we started, we had about 32 services. When we started, and we realized that the quantities of many services we cannot handle. Why don't we start with the minimum that people in fact are demanding the most? So we added all of those services that we are absolutely using at the moment. But in future, we're looking about having services where a person can book a flight through our application, where they can connect with a flight, connecting with a personal driver that will deliver them at the designated hotels, and there are many other services that I don't want to mention, but yeah, we're in the process of that.
Okay, Sanele Mhlongo, great chatting to you, man, and this is such a brilliant initiative. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you so much.
That is Sanele Mhlongo talking to us about the Eloh app, which offers basic services and more with just the use of your mobile phone.